B2W track is easy to use, it's efficient.
And we have had actually no trouble getting everybody to buy in and use it.
When we first got the tablet, I was like, I don't want this. I go, I'd rather just write it down, it's easier.
Guys that we thought would never even open an iPad, we're running the track program, no issues. It's been great. It surpassed everything that we thought it was going to be for getting guys set up with it in the field.
And basically once we started with it, it's like, okay, this is a lot easier to pick up and just record everything in like I said, the day-to-day.
We got everybody on board, and once they started it, then everybody realized how much easier it was to be able to track the quantities.
Even if I'm on a different job every single day, the process is really quite easy, even to start from scratch. But when you are working on the same site, day to day to day, the copy feature is really nice.
The big advantage, especially for me with the B2W track, is just how easy it is to get the crews and the equipment and everything for each day.
My favorite feature is just how simple it is to use, building estimates and then transferring that to the guys out in the field. Before, it would take days to start a job, build it, show the guys how to use it. Now you can push it right over to their iPad with a matter of minutes and the job can start.
I mean, my father, he's been in the business for 30 years and he can't really, answer a text message, let alone do anything on an iPad. And 3 nights after work, over the phone, I taught him how to use the whole B2W track system.
From the 25-year-old foreman to the 65-year-old foreman are all using it here, and it's been great just for one uniform way of doing something.